Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So what's going on? And I'm looking at some of the highlights on Bitcoin as well, some news, some stories, and I think these are going to be interesting to talk about. So the latest thing that is going on Bitcoin are the following. So you got XRP, Litecoin, and XMR, AVAX show bullish signs as Bitcoin battles to hold $28,000 at the moment. And then you have the Mike Novor. Wow, what the hell is this name, man? Calls for truce between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Popular, yeah, this is actually kind of interesting. Popular Linus Tech Tips YouTube channel hacked in the latest Bitcoin scam. And I'm pretty sure this is like a channel that reviews for technology. I think I know this guy. He reviews like MacBooks and phones as well. Linus Tech Tips. Yeah, it's all about technology. So you got the tech right there, and it's actually a very popular channel. This is this is kind of weird. I'm gonna check it on YouTube, by the way, very quickly. Oh yeah, so this is the channel, guys. 15.3 million subscribers, and I don't know how they got hacked due to Bitcoin. Right, my channel was deleted last night. I potentially might be even looking at that. I made a bad decision framework. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna get into the chart as well. I'm just looking at an old channel I used to watch for a long time ago. But anyways, I do hope they recovered their channel. Best of luck to this guy, man. It's pretty bad to hear that. Another news is Bitcoin rejected at critical resistance. This is the level to watch now. How does that sound, man? Amazing. Bitcoin is 1 week away from confirming, new bull market analyst. All right, so what is it? What is Bitcoin is 1 week away from confirming? Bitcoin as a da in his latest Twitter activity. All right, despite the facing problems, flipping $28,000 support. That's a very long thing to go. So I do kind of like the charts here because he is representing the cycles, and I do like how the cycles are being represented. So for example, you got to move up here, you went down, and you started a massive bull rally to the upside. You came down again. For the bear market, you started in another one, and then you came down, and you potentially could be looking for another one as well. So I kind of agree with this sentiment here, with this idea. And this is from, I've got to give the credit to Rect Capital for that one as well. Bitcoin rejected a critical. All right, that was a good, information right there. Germany, the DWP Bank set to enable Bitcoin trading for over 1,200 affiliate banks. Binance CEO, which is CZ Shenzhen Zhongpao, reflects on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB price history. So let's see what this guy is saying. I kind of like CZ. I do know CZ. He speaks a lot about different coins. On Saturday, March 25, Binance co-founder and CEO Shengben Pazhao took Twitter to share intriguing insights into the historical price performance of Bitcoin and Binance. CZ Twitter highlights the impressive, and CZ second tweet delved deeper into the historical price. Nothing that Bitcoin price has grown by 100 times, 2 digits every 4 years. Oh yeah, I actually saw that tweet, by the way, and I think it's somewhere on Twitter. Actually gonna show you on Twitter. So this is exactly what he's talking about. Historically, Bitcoin price increased by 2 digits every 4 years so far. Disclaimer, history does not predict the future, not a prediction, not a financial advice. But I do like the insight that CZ made. I don't really like this guy when it comes down to the price prediction, because whatever he says, the opposite happens. If he says it's going up, things go down. When he says things are going down, it goes up. I'm even afraid that he made this tweet, by the way. I hope, 2025 doesn't happen to be bad for us, because when he tweets, I don't like it at all. So let's actually zoom in there, and you got CZ saying that zoom out Bitcoin price in 4-year bar cycles. And I do agree with this, and I talk a lot about that. So 2009 was 0, 2013 it was $14, which is an impressive amount of money there. And then you have 2017, which is 1,013. 2021 January, $34,000. January 2025, whoa, 300k, I guess. Oh, Sounds good, right? Anyways, too much with the news stuff. This was quite entertaining. Let's dive into the chart. Now, Bitcoin is trading at $28,060. And if you've been watching the channel so far, I've been saying that I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down. Now, is this view still in play? I haven't changed my mind about Bitcoin going down. I'm very, very clear with Bitcoin going down at the moment. I'm going to tell you why, unless we don't do one thing. My expectation is that it's going to go down because every single candle, people think that, this is randomness. This is not randomness. There's logic behind every single thing. And it's a trader's responsibility to try and figure out what's going on in the market. If they cannot figure out, it's due to the lack of the knowledge that they have, and it's not the chart pattern itself, because there's always answer in the charts. You're always going to find answer. All you have to do is dig deep into something. Even when Luna Classic went to zero, there used to be someone who used to say that, hey, something like that is about to happen as well. So it was on Twitter. I saw it on Twitter somewhere. But anyways, that's a different topic. So what is going on? Bar by bar, candle by candle, every single candle. Now, for example, from the time that you started here all the way to here, back in 16th of March right there, and you're reaching the end of the month as well, and April is about to start, you got information within information. Okay, so first of all, on the 1 hour time frame, let's see what's happening here, because you got a little bit of a resistance there. You're making another candle, which is a doji candle, and then from here you can shoot a little bit down like this to the downside. I don't see Bitcoin coming up to 28,400 at all, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. So it's very simple. On the 4 hour time frame, what do you see when you see at this? I see something known as a dam on top. Okay, and for that one, I'm going to show you an educational reference. Right, so this is how the diamond tops look like, and what the diamond tops suggest is a reversal to the downside. When the market is moving up, the number one condition is that the market is moving up. So number one is the market is shooting to the upside. Number second condition is that when this thing appears, you wait for the breakout. Now, of course, you can break to the upside as well. It doesn't mean that you go to the downside. Even when you read about the possibility of this one to go to the upside, you might have that 10 to 15% chances of things to continue higher instead of coming down. But especially when you're moving upside like this, and you're really like in an uptrend, and then you have a dam on top, in most cases you're going to see the market going to the downside. Now, the same thing is happening on Bitcoin. If I do zoom out right now, you have an uptrend. So number one criteria is met. Number two is the pattern itself. So let's zoom in a little bit in there, and I'm going to take the trend line, and I'm going to draw this line now. You got the first line, and you have the second line right over here, and then you got another line that I'm going to take. So this one goes on like that as well. Okay, and then you have another trend line that goes like this. So this is a beautiful diamond pattern. Now, decision comes in by this following date. So 28th of March, we're going to get to know if you can potentially break to the upside and continue higher. Now, my personal pick is that it's a reversal candle, so most of the chances are you're looking for a breakdown and you're looking for the next technical target, which is going to be from the top here to the bottom of that diamond top. So you're looking for a push down to 25,600, or if you break up, let's see where you're going to go if you break to the upside. So if you do break up, you're looking for 30,292. It's still possible you go there. So let's see what happens tomorrow, because that's when you're going to have a decision time. Hope you enjoyed this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.